To get started, you'll need a Base44 account. You can sign up for free using this link right here, or scroll down and click the first link in the video description. So you'll land on this page right here. There's a demo chat box that invites you to write a prompt, but you'll need to create an account before it actually works. Just click the Start Building button at the upper right to sign up. You can either log in with Google or enter your email. Then follow the prompts to complete the sign-up process. Once you're done, you'll land on a page with a chat box that's now fully functional and ready to go. Creating the first draft of your app is incredibly simple, but there's also a bit of an art to it. You simply write a description of how you want your app to look and function. The more detailed and specific you can be, the better your first draft will turn out. If you're not sure what you want to build, you can click the link to browse templates and see what other people have created. Or you can click one of the idea bubbles under the chat for inspiration. Me personally, I know exactly what I want to build. The most successful apps are the ones that solve real problems for a lot of people. And I know from my own experience, and from seeing plenty of memes, that the hardest part about being an adult is deciding what to eat for dinner. Every single night of your life. It takes so much time and energy to plan healthy meals that I actually want to eat. Writing up a shopping list, going to the store, and then making it all. So I want to make an app that simplifies the whole process and solves meal planning once and for all. Here's what I'll say. I want to have an app where the user gets all of their meals planned for them with AI, and the app provides a detailed meal plan for the week, the recipes, and the shopping list. Each week's meal plan will start by asking the user for their dietary preferences and restrictions, cuisines they like or want to eat, calorie targets, and which meals they want planned for them. For example, breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snacks. Next, let's describe how the app should look. You can describe this manually, or if you need ideas, you can click the Styling Instructions button to browse preset style prompts. If you find a style you like, just click Add Style Instructions to add it to your prompt. And if I scroll down, you can see the style instructions were added right under my initial app description. If there's anything else you want to provide to the AI to help it understand what you're looking for, add that now. You can click the plus button to add photos, documents, or really any other type of file. When you're happy with your prompt, click the Send button. You'll be taken to the next page where you can watch the AI start to build your app. On the left side, it'll provide you with a response showing that it understands the instructions, and it'll show progress indicators while it's building the various elements of your app. This initial build can take several minutes to complete, so while it's working, let me show you something important. If you click the Base44 logo drop-down at the upper left, you can see how many message credits you have remaining. Each prompt you send to the chat counts as 1 credit. On the free plan, you're granted 25 credits per month, but you can only use up to 5 credits per day. This is fairly limiting, but we'll sort that out later. Now I'll go ahead and fast forward to show you what the finished app looks like. Here we are. The AI finished building the app, and I'm excited about what I'm seeing so far. It built a simple, clean interface that followed the style instructions and seems to have the general functions that I asked for. But the only way to be sure is to test it. So let's try it out. I'll click the button to create a meal plan. Here we have some buttons we can select to provide dietary restrictions and cuisine preferences. I'll go ahead and select a few of them. Scrolling down, I see we can choose which meals to plan and set some other parameters like a daily calorie target and servings per meal. Let's see what happens if I just create a meal plan with breakfast and dinner. I'll leave the calories and servings alone for now, and let's click to generate my meal plan. It looks like the AI implemented AI functionality into my app, and it's working in the background right now to create the meal plan. There's also this really nice loading indicator here, an elegant touch. After a few moments, the AI finishes processing, and it looks like I've got a full meal plan. I can click on any day of the week to open it and see the meals it selected for me. There's also a Show Recipe dropdown, which expands to show the full recipe with ingredients and instructions. This omelet looks really tasty. Back at the top, it also created a shopping list for me, organized by food category, and I can even check the buttons to strike through each list item. I can see this being really useful at the grocery store. I'll just pull up the list on my phone and check things off once they're in my cart. So far I'm really happy with this. Going back to the dashboard, I can see a card for the week's meal plan. While you're testing your app, be sure to flip the mobile toggle at the top of the screen to check out how your app will look on smaller screens. This is really important because most people discover new apps while browsing on their phone, and you want to make sure that your app looks good and works right no matter what device your visitors are using.